Although shaving and waxing can be a hygienic preference, it can also be dangerous for some. Over 3 million cases of pseudofolliculitis, a razor bump inflammation condition, are reported every year. So what's the solution? Camellia Alise skincare. I'm Lindsay Brantley, a medical aesthetics practitioner with over 8 years experience in naturopathic skincare solutions and the founder of Camellia Alise. We are a 100% vegan and natural skincare company that eliminates ingrown hairs, razor bumps, stretch marks, and cellulite. And we also have the Camellia Alise Academy, which provides training and educational services for skincare enthusiasts and aspiring spa owners alike. Over the past year, we've increased our revenue 350%, and our products were recently accepted into Walmart. We would love the opportunity to tell you more about Camellia Alise, and today we're asking for $70,000 for inventory as well as to help our product placement. Thanks.